Happy Monday. Hopefully it's off to a great start. Time now is 6:42. We get you a weather update every 10 minutes.
Let's send things over to KIMT Storm Team 3 meteorologist Sarah Knox. And Sarah, it's off to a foggy start for some, and you're tracking more rain chances.
Yeah, and we're taking a peek here at US 52 in Rochester. And Rochester folks, where's the fog you guys have been talking about? Well, I'll tell you where the fog is. Let's take a trip to the south. Mason City seeing all of the fog right now. Albert Lea also seeing foggy skies, and there's plenty more of it. Patchy fog continues through the rest of the area. We're looking at 1.5 miles of visibility in Mason City. Albert Lea just slipping below 1.5 miles at 1.3. However, Rochester, Owatonna still at the perfect 10s. That's why we're asking, where is the fog? Well, the fog will continue to burn off. That's great news for all, but we are dealing with some pretty relatively low stratus clouds right now, blocking a lot of our sunshine. But wait, there's always more. Once the fog burns off, maybe we'll see some spits of sun, but really what I'm tracking for tonight is going to be those scattered showers moving back into the area. All of the activity as we speak to the west and to the southwest, but a relatively small low pressure system will barrel its way our way, and as it does, it's going to bring back the chances for even more rain. Current temperatures right now 58 in Rochester. The same can be said in Mason City. However, things warming up pretty quickly in Austin at 63. As we continue to all warm up, we're going to start seeing bigger difference between the dew points, and thus the fog will start to go away. But as of right now, places like Mason City at 58 degrees for the dew point, 58 degrees for the surface temperature. That's why we're seeing some relatively thick fog. So foggy skies for the rest of the morning. But as we get closer to the midday, we're just left with some mostly cloudy skies, maybe some spots of sunshine as our temperatures start to depart from the dew point. By the time we get into the afternoon, we'll be back into the 70s, ultimately getting into the upper 70s for some. Should be a nice day. But then, here we go. Let's roll things forward. By noon, some of us looking at the sun, some thin clouds still kind of capturing the sunshine, not allowing it to move through, but it's not until the evening commute that the rain begins to pop up. Scattered showers moving along 35 and making their way to the east, kind of burning off some of it, beginning to break apart as we get later on into the evening, but some still experiencing some relatively moderate rain. These clouds do have quite a bit of moisture in them. And then as we head into Tuesday morning early, it's when we start to see even more of the scattered showers up here. Now today's forecast mentions upper 70s for some, middle 70s for others. It's going to be dependent on really how much sunshine we see, but all of us are going to be under the seasonal norm, which is around 79 this time of the year. 7-day forecast for the weekend always in view does keep below average temperatures, but at least they'll be steady. What won't be so steady is the unsettled pattern that I'm tracking when it comes to the off and on rain chances throughout the week. And that includes the rain chance coming in the first day of summer, where we will be well below the average. At least we'll be going back into the 80s coming into the weekend. The problem is warmer air brings a chance for thunderstorms.
It does.
All right.
We've already had a good amount of that.
Yes, we have.
Thanks so much, Sarah. Well, this may not